Yeah, good old Starlink disconnected again. Just, ugh, getting so sick of it. Feel like someone is stealing my internet here. Hmm. 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 No, it was mine again. I should make a video for Elon. It's so weird because I don't lose connection on my trading. Like it's like I'm not losing connection, but it just all of a sudden disconnects on my stream, but only on my stream. Hey, Segi, you got the 150K funded. Let's go, Segi. That's awesome. Very well done. Very well done. That's a difficult account to get funded. All right, let's see what. Yep, anonymous futures trader. Beautiful Starlink doing its thing again. What can you do? What can you do? All right, looks like we're trying to bounce here. Okay, starting to see this thing bounce a little bit. And we pulling back here a little bit again. Just feels heavy. I mean, the Bulls have really just not even put up a fight so far. It's just been down. Very, very interesting. Some small pullbacks and then just met with selling. This makes you think we are going to test these overnight lows of the 890s here. New lows. New lows. All right. See if we make new lows. Wow. We're just ripping lower. Down, down we go. Wow. Look out, boys. It's a bloodbath. It's a bloodbath. He got out with minor damage. That's the important part. Design. That's the important part. All right. Our first play here is going to be off of these lows, the 890s. I'm going to be, again, if you're just joining, we're going to be doing this same strategy, but I'm going to use more discretion when entering and exiting trades. Maybe not so much exiting. I'm going to try and follow the same exit ATM strategy, but this thing is ripping lower. Where's ES at? Look at ES. ES all the way down to the 20s. Woof. All right. Look at this thing just keep going. Ooh. Man, we're seeing some crazy volatility here. Crazy volatility all of a sudden. Woo. That is the overnight low, the 910s. So very close to the overnight low anyway. Well, no, the overnight low would be the 890s, sorry. But man, that thing just ripped 25 points like in a second. Crazy, man. Yeah, it feels like we always get a rip like this at some point, and that's always where being short just continue. This can This is a major bounce. We have now a 30-point bounce from the lows in a matter of what, 5 seconds. Welcome to NASDAQ. NQ. She will rip your face off, and you will like it. You're watching The Big Short, Aaron. I see. Yeah, Jerry. I mean, that was a crazy bounce at 910. Crazy. I don't know. Anytime we get that hard of a bounce, it makes me a little skeptical that that's real. Just a lot of people taking profits, I think, is what I think it is, but we'll see. All right, let's see. The Big Short, man, that's a great movie, though. That is such a good movie. Yeah, I love that movie. Nice, Jerry. Nice. All right, let's see Bookmap. Let's look at Bookmap a little bit here. Bookmap doesn't really. Let's zoom out a little bit, see if we can see anything major. Nope, nothing really to see here. Yeah, agreed. Hey, nice, Jerry. Nice. Yeah, I've probably watched The Big Short about, I don't even know how many times, 5, 6 times probably. Such a good movie. Like, yeah, it's such a well done movies as well. Like, I don't know. If you like trading, then you gotta watch that movie. It's just mandatory. Bookmap delay on response. Wait, Harshal, is that bookmap delay on response? Delay? I'm not sure what you mean, but my bookmap shouldn't have a delay. Not that I'm aware of. Okay, now we're is this I thought this would test the lows, but this might these are the lows. This is the low of, basically this line here indicates midnight. This low happened at like 150 in the morning, 2 o'clock in the morning. So definitely pushing up now. See if we keep going higher. But for me, as far as looking for trades, if we get back up to the 70s, I'll be looking for a short. And I was waiting to get long and at the 890s. That's kind of my game plan right now. And now we're pulling back here again. See if this thing. How serious are the bears? How serious are the bears? We shall find out. And The chart and booknet was not watching. It should be. I was watching it now. It looks like it's in sync. Oh, I see now what you mean. Based off. Yeah, it's pretty much in sync. Pretty much. Whoa! There we went again, folks. Hold on. Hold on to the railings. Hold on. Crazy. Well, that's interesting here. We did not make new lows, so oh, actually, I want to check ES book map. Ooh, there is a huge block of orders sitting at the 4409s. Yeah, you're right, Aaron. Wow. Interesting. Interesting. All right, let's see if we make new lows here. All right, let's see if we make new lows. It is testing. Again, I'll be looking for an entry to go long here if we get here. Oh, we made new lows. Did it. And now we're ripping straight back up. And I mean, we just straight ripped straight back up. Wow. Not giving me any opportunity here. definitely the 910s are feeling like support. 910s, there's a lot of buying at the 910s. Very interesting here. Yeah, Jerry. Yep. I mean, the 910s, I was looking at a 60-minute chart. The 910s, yeah, I mean, we'll see. Bavarian Blitz. How we doing, Bavarian Blitz? You want to have any parting words? Only here for the YouTube ads. You're a funny dude. I hope you feel better. Worked harder on getting paid. Oh, you're a funny dude. You have to take trades, guys. You got to take a lot of trades, or you're just, you're not working hard if you're not taking a bunch of trades. That's just terrible. I'm making a bunch of money off of my 3,500 followers. That's hilarious. Because I haven't taken a trade, that's the takeaway he had. That is funny. Don't wait on a setup, guys. You gotta just take trades. Just take them. Just gotta take trades. You gotta love it. All right, here we go. Here we go. Maybe we can get through the lows here again. I mean, it's definitely not. There's just no reason to go long here at right now, which makes me a little bit nervous. I mean, I'm thinking about going long here at the 890s. It's probably pretty risky, but that's my game plan, and we're gonna stick with it. If we get there, we might not even get there. The way this is, the 910s. Every time we get to the 910s, it's the buyers are stepping in. So we'll see. Might have a schnitzel stuck, where. That's funny. I don't even have a donation button. I know. You know what? Maybe I need to go turn on the donation button. Please donate. Please. I can't take trades, so you have to donate. Oh, that's funny. I mean, my chat is the most profitable on YouTube. Oh. Hang on, I gotta take this call. All right, I'm back. I messed up, guys. I messed up. Did not get filled. It was a little distracted while I was on the phone. Oh, feels bad. I hate when that happens. A little distracted and trying to do too many things at the same time. I had to pull up some information and I missed and I didn't want to go chase it, but I should have. Look at that thing just do exactly what I wanted and I missed it. Feels bad. Bavarian Blitz will definitely be going off now. Oh, man. You know what? It is what it is, folks. It is what it is. We're going to get more opportunities. We're going to get more opportunities, but that one hurt. Got a nice 30 point bounce right off of those lows. Hey, crypto. How we doing? Good morning. What did you think was going to happen at what level? I was saying it all morning, the 890s. I was looking to buy the 890s. I thought we'd get a nice bounce, and that's what happened. Unfortunately, I got a phone call at the wrong time. I really need to start letting my business is coming in the way of my trading there. That's the wrong way to look at it. But it does make a difference. Okay, we are right back in it. Now, this is where it worries me. When we retest this again, I don't think we're going to get the same bounce. And we're going to wait. We're going to be patient on this and see if this makes new lows. There's a likely chance this is going to make new lows. I wasn't looking really for a reversal. I thought we'd get a really nice bounce right off of this level, and that's what happened. Well, maybe it will bounce again, but I don't. It should hold there no matter what. This didn't hold. This because I have a support level there doesn't mean it's going to hold. I'm looking for a bounce, and when we're in this big of a downtrend, then I think if it retests it a couple times, it's less likely to hold. But hey, if you think it'll hold, then take the trade. I could have done that deal, but I don't want to just be blindly entering. I was waiting, making sure it doesn't just rip right through it before I enter. What it should do and actually does is two different things. That is very true. 890 is a support area, but not convinced. Yeah, it could be. This definitely could be a support area, but the way this trend is going, I'm not really interested in just, there's just no reason to. If we keep making lower lows here, then maybe yes. Then I can get on board. No, you're good, Barry. And it might. Maybe it'll bounce right here and rip up to the hundreds. Who knows? It could. And then I'll be like, yeah, I should have taken it. But hindsight is 2020, folks. We got to make a decision based off of what I see currently. And then we just got to move on and look for the next opportunity. That's how trading works. The new strat patient trader. Basically, I want to continue trading my support and resistance zones. That's still like what I want to focus on, but I'm just not a mechanical type of trader, so I'm using more of a discretion when I'm entering my trades. That's really the only difference. Which, I'm not going to be right all the time for sure, but I can live with that. No one knows what's going to happen. I agree, but we still have to look at price action and what it is currently has done in order to make a decision. Because if we don't, and we just go like, no one knows what it's going to happen, so we'll just blindly enter. I know that's not what you're saying, DL, but again, my initial thought was once we get to the 890s and I see that it's going to bounce, I want to enter. I wasn't really looking that it's going to reverse from here, but I thought we'd get a really nice bounce, which we did, but I missed it. So I'm a little more skeptical, but obviously it's doing it. It's making a nice move. It would have worked out. But I just feel like, we need to use our discretion a little bit. But at the same time, not saying we ever know what will happen. We don't. So these support and resistance levels I put on usually beginning of the week, Sunday mornings or Sunday nights, and I just leave them there all week. I update them once a week on Sunday night when the market, usually before the market opens. So here, like right now, this is what I'm seeing. Like we're just in this if we break this channel and start, then I'll be wrong. Then I was wrong. I'm okay with that. No, I'm not interested in buying here anymore. I'm just not. And again, now we're selling back, but are we going to make new lows here? Is this support going to continue to hold? I don't care to find out. I'd rather watch it. I think there's a big chance we sell through it just based off of how much selling we've seen so far. But we shall see. Yeah, DL, again, there's yes and no, a DL. For example, like right here at the 970s, I have a support and resistance level here as well. Rip right through it. So, and that's where I feel like it's And now, do we just always like, that's why I don't just want to blindly be entering at support resistance levels. I want to be mindful of what the market is doing. And if we're in a really major sell off, I just prefer not to go against the trend like that. Just my preference. I just don't. Me personally, I don't like counter trend trading. I'm not a fan of it. If I do take counter trend trade, usually it will be just to catch a bounce and then I'm out. I'm not a good reversal trader. I will never be. And I'm okay with that. I'm not going to be something I'm not. I just don't like doing the reverse trade. And going against the trend is just, it just hurts my soul. Done for the day, Slovenia. Do you guys ever stop trading? Yes, I stop at 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock, I'm done. No, but sometimes I should stop probably a little bit earlier. Would be probably good. Should have went short at 9.7 and go long at 8.90. I mean, that's kind of hindsight. I mean, yeah, looking at it now, that's a great idea. But if this would have bounced, would we be of the same opinion still? Because this could have bounced. Like, I don't know. I feel like I missed the buy at 8.90, but the reason I was wanting to buy at 8.90 was because I felt like we are going to bounce. Now, that was on me. That's my fault. I just completely missed it. I wasn't quick enough on my entry. And again, like if I would have captured my move here and I would have been out of the trade, it wasn't like I was looking for this to reverse here. I was looking for it to bounce and it did. So when it comes down to retest it, I think there's a bigger chance that it's going to not hold. So that's why the second move, I wasn't as interested. Even now, this third move, I'm even less interested. I don't know. That's just what I see. But I could be wrong. I could very well be wrong. You definitely have a point, DL. I see what you're saying. I'm just, I guess, communicating what's going through my mind. And here we go. New lows incoming. All right, let's see what we do here. We're definitely now like slowing down in a sense of the selling, but I mean, obviously the 855s, do I even have that listed on one of my support and resistance here? I'm not sure I do. It's starting to make like all these new lows that my support and resistance doesn't go back that far. Okay, next area is 850. 850. Crazy. All right, we're still in this zone. Maybe we'd bounce. We definitely could. Okay, let's see. See if this thing will rip. It looked like it was gonna rip. Hmm. And we're pulling right back. Just so much. The bulls are not. Every time they feels like the bulls might push it higher, they just get smacked down. Oh, now it's just like sideways right here. Okay, hang on. New low's incoming. And there she blows. Down we go. Man, oh man, oh man. See, now if we come up and test this 890 again, now I'm going to look for a short. First day of school go for Nutty Bar Jr. He had a great time. He was pretty tired. He came home and took about an hour nap. Good morning, Ralph. All right, here we go. I mean, the 50s here. Again, I just don't know that I trust going long here at any level. I'm more interested in just looking for shorts. How many times I'm going to keep changing my strategy? Jaxie, I mean, as many times as I want. It's me doing the trading. I believe I have, I believe that's my right. Anybody got a code for 90% off? Nope. Those do not exist currently. Not currently. All right, are we going to make new lows? Are we going to test this? What is it? 60, 50 area? Here we go. Down she goes. Are your Browns going to win tonight? I mean, I don't really care. I don't really care. It's only preseason. And I don't think the starters are playing tonight at all. So it doesn't really matter. You think the Eagles will win? They might. They might. All right. Okay, seeing a little bit of a bounce here. Do the Brown starters really matter? That's a fair question. That's fair. I guess we'll find out. All right, now we're seeing our first kind of bounce here. Hopefully we'll make a bounce up to the 890s. And I'd love to do a short right there. Deep down, I care. Maybe just a little bit, Matterman. Just a little bit. You've been an Eagles fan since 06? Okay. Oh, yeah, that last Super Bowl. Man, that whole Carson Wentz thing, Michael, was just kind of weird. At the time, I kind of felt bad for Carson Wentz, but then, like, the more and more, like, you kind of saw and whatever, it was kind of like, well, it's like, I don't know, man. Yeah, Matterman. Yep. KM, you think I haven't heard that before? Yeah, I've heard that before. Yeah, Esther. Yep. I know a lot of people that do that. There's nothing wrong with that. Okay, market. Come on. You're supposed to come up to the 90s here. That's just how this is supposed to work. You're supposed to listen to me. Yeah, Jalen Hurts. I'm very curious. Like Jalen Hurts, there's two quarterbacks I'm very curious about this year. Jalen Hurts and oh my, I'm so terrible at remembering names. Oh, the Chicago Bears quarterback. I just can't say his name. I know it. He used to go to Ohio State. I should know this. And I can't. Fields. Justin Fields. Yes, yes. Um Justin Fields, and I'm really curious. Like I feel like there's a lot of hype around them, and I feel like there's especially Justin Fields. Like, and just this is from me watching him at Ohio State as well. The thing I'm concerned about is again, like just can he be consistent and stay healthy with how much he runs? Which, and I mean, we'll find out, but he's kind of like Lamar Jackson, kind of like that. But Lamar Jackson can't throw, so there's that. Sorry if that offended any Raven fans, but that's just my take on it. You know, because you're the Ravens, I get to have that take, even if it's not true. Yeah, females. Esther, I think like I've been trying to get my wife to trade. Sometimes I feel like they would be better traders just because they're better at not how would I say? Like not taking uh not having as big of an ego, I guess would be a good way to put it. Okay, market. Yeah, Hurts. Okay, yeah, Hurts. I mean, Hurts last year definitely showed that. I mean, he definitely showed something last year. You gotta respect it. All right, boys, what are we doing here? All right, are we gonna make new lows here, or are we gonna? What's the plan here, market? Okay, here we go. Again, now let me be clear. I'm looking for a short here, but I also want to see, not just gonna blindly enter. Hey, KC Trading, how we doing? Yeah, I know Anna's here, and there's another. Okay, yeah, but usually Anna isn't here until like the afternoon. I've noticed. All right, let's see what happens here. 890s looking for a short, but we want to wait to see. Oh, come on, don't. Harshal, I don't remember seeing it, but yeah, that's what I had here, the 850s from I was looking at this. I was looking right here. Yeah, I think this is what you meant back in June. Or I think that maybe you meant a different one too. Could be. Could be. Yep. Harshal. Yep. It's kind of what I had noted. But so far, I'm looking. I just don't see a reason to get long here yet. That's just me. Hey, trader, not addict. How we doing? Okay, here we go. All right, let's see what happens here. It's just ripping through it now. Let's wait. Let's see how this candle closes. It's just kind of keeping. It just keeps going. Yeah, we're definitely on a wait. Definitely no sense in getting frisky there. Wow, this is now our first official bounce by the Bulls. The Bulls are interested here. I mean, I was looking for a short in when we get into this 890, but just nothing that I liked. I mean, there was just no sellers. And again, like there, I'm watching not book map. I'm watching the footprint chart. Yeah, David, I missed one trade. I should have taken a trade and I missed it. I was on the phone and distracted and I missed it. Unfortunately. Hey, well, thank you. Thank you, David. How's it going for you? Okay, we keep going higher. Keep pushing higher. Yes, go down. Yeah, at 4409. Was it at 4409 or 5? I thought it was a 4409. Yeah, that it's still sitting there at 4409. It's a crazy. It's a big order. But I've gotten in trouble with Bookmap before being a little too biased when I see a big order sitting somewhere.